Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Paramount Plus error code 3005. Alright, let's begin. So there's a few things that you could do here. So in this case, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you could do here is, if you're using the application or mobile application or just the application for Paramount Plus, the first thing you need to do here is you first have to ensure that you have the latest version or you have the application actually updated. Sometimes, not having an updated application could cause this issue. In this case, you could go ahead and open up Google Play Store or the App Store and see if there are any updates and make sure to install it. In this case, if you are using your browser and you see this error code, there are going to be a few things that you could do here. So first things first is you have to ensure that you are using a supported browser. So typically browsers that Paramount Plus actually supports are the mainstream browsers. So that includes Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and a lot more. So in this case, make sure that you're using the supported browsers of Paramount Plus. Now, in this case, once you're guaranteed that you're using the supported browser for Paramount Plus, make sure that you have the browser updated. Now, in this case, if you're using Google Chrome, typically you just need to visit their settings. So go ahead and click on the 3-bar icon at the top right, go to settings, and from here just go to the about section here, and it will automatically update itself. Now in this case, once the update is complete, restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now if this doesn't solve your issue, you need to clear your cookies. So to do that, you need to click on the 3-dotted icon at the top right off your screen, click on settings. And from here, go to the privacy and security section, click on delete browsing history. And from here, make sure that cookies and cache images is actually selected and also site settings, and just click on clear data. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Another thing you have to do is go to 3-dotted icon at the top right and select settings from the drop-down menu. Now, go to System tab, and here make sure use graphics acceleration when available is turned off. So if it is on, make sure to turn it off and then relaunch your browser. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, then most likely the issue itself is from your account. Now to do that or for you to fix that, you need to contact support. So go to help.paramountplus.com to access their help center. In this case, we need to start contacting support. So in this case, go to the option that says contact us at the bottom right here. And from here, it should redirect you to the contact us page. In this case, you want to choose the appropriate one here. So in this case, go and choose technical issues. And from here, we want to choose app not working or crashing. In this case, choose the option that says still need help. And from here, choose the appropriate option here. You could either contact them via SMS, or you could call them to the following numbers here. In this case, choose whatever means that you want to contact them. And in this case, go ahead and have a conversation about reporting that your Paramount Plus account or Paramount Plus application that you have is giving you this error for 3005. So that's basically how you can fix Paramount Plus error code 3005. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.